Okay, lesson 27. So simplify each fraction. So 2 over 4. Since you could simplify this since you could divide it by 2, which will result in 1/2. And for number 2, 3 over 18. 3 over 18. You could simplify this since you could divide it by 3, which will result in 1/16. Okay, 1/6. Okay, problem solving. Answer using the simplest form of each fraction. What fraction of 25 is 10? Okay. Here, let me just drag this down here. 25 and 10. You could divide this by 5, both of these numbers, which will result in 5 over 2. And remember, Bobby had $18, spends another $2 of his earnings. What fraction of earnings does she still have? Okay, so 18 subtracted by 12, which would be 6. And then spends another $2. Okay, so it would be 4 over 18. Oh, oops. 4 over 18. Divide these both by 2. That's a different problem. Divide both of these by 2 and you'll get 2 over 9. Which will result in the answer, 2 over 9. Yeah. Here, fractions, decimals, and mixed numbers. Write each as a fraction or mixed number. So since number 1's already a fraction, we could just put into a mixed number. 5 over 4. Since we know 1/4 is 0.25, we just add 0.25 5 times, which will be 1.25. And for number 2, we could, since 0.7 is a mixed number, or decimal, you could just say, you could just turn this into 7 over 10. Write each fraction as a decimal. Okay, so we just basically do the same thing that we did for number 1 here. So write each fraction as a decimal. So if the bottom number is 10, you could always just put like 0.4. This would be the answer for number 5. And number 6 would be 2.0. This would be for number 6, and this would be for number 5. Compare. Right, less than, greater than, or equal to. So since we know how to convert mixed numbers into fractions, we could just turn this fraction into a decimal, or do vice versa with 0.15. I'm just gonna do both ways. So here, 310 is equal to 0.3, excuse me, and 0.15 whoa, 0.15 is equal to 10 over 100, my bad, over 15. And since we know we could transfer this into like this, this would be greater. Boom. Okay. Here, I'll do number 9. So it's 1, 5 and 0.08. That's not how you do it. So here, I'm just gonna use decimals. 1 over 5 would just be 0.2. That is 4 more greater than 0.08. Boom. Okay, order each set of numbers from least to greatest. Okay, so this would be 0.4, wait, least to greatest, right? Yeah, 0.4, a half, mm, 0.55, I am actually gonna 0.55 and 2.5. Since we know that 0.4 would be less than a half, and a half is exactly 0.5, which is less than 0.55, and then this is just the largest number since the 2. Okay, compare. Are the numbers in each pair equivalent, right? Yes or no? Okay. Here, I think a popular way to see if one fraction or mixed numbers are like equal or equivalent is the butterfly method. It's just 15, transfer this into like a fraction, so oh wow, and 78 over 100. The method that we could do is 78 times 15, which will result in, actually no, 78 times 18, which will be 1404, and this would be 1500. And these two numbers are not the same, so it's a no. Okay.